How to create a Twitter poll. If any day you are a Twitter or the X user and you would like to create a Twitter or the X poll, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Twitter application or the X application on your mobile device. For that, you can scroll left or right until you find the Twitter or the X application. After you find it, you have to tap on that. After you tap on that, the Twitter or the X application will be launched on your mobile device. After it's launched on your mobile device, you have to go to the plus like icon on the downside and then you have to go to the option of post. After tapping on the option of post, now you can see an interface like this. You have to tap on the option of got it like this. Now to the side, to the left side of the very location icon, you can see the very icon like bullets here. And here after you tap on that, you can see the option that a poll is launched. Now you can ask a question here. For example, who do you like? Any of the question like this, and here you can give it a choice, me, other, or any of the other polls. And this way you can create a poll, and you can also create the poll length. For example, the poll length for here is 1 day. You can tap on that. You can also create very certain the length, or you can also increase it. This way I have just set it to 2 days now. And then I went to the person of the post here. After I went to the option of post, now my very poll is posted on the Twitter or the X. This way you can also post a poll on your Twitter or your X. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.